Hello everyone, today we are going to draw Mr. Krabs from SpongeBob SquarePants. Step 1, we're going to sketch. I'm going to draw some outlines and then those indicate where the eyes go and his claws go. And I'm drawing his eyes and his arm roughly. His eyes are kind of rough and his nose is kind of crooked and his mouth. It's a sketch. I'm using a red pencil to draw the sketch. Now his pants, his belt buckle, and yes, I'm drawing it kind of roughly. So I'm going to fix along the way. You can do it right in the first time. It's your choice. In my case, for some people it might be faster to do it like perfectly at the first time, and for others it might be better to fix along the way. It's your choice. I like both ways. Sometimes I want to just do it right on the first try. Sometimes I want to just make it rough and fix along the way. And if you do the fixing along the way method, it's kind of better when you want things to be proportionate, because sometimes you might make mistakes. And once you're done, it might look a little weird. So you have to fix it anyway. So I like to make a rough draft first and fix along the way. And I'm drawing the dollar bills on the top, and you can see I'm erasing the inside of the dollar bills as I draw. After I drew Mr. Krabs, and redrawing the eye because it was very rough. It was a very rough draft. So I'm redrawing and erasing some of the unnecessary lines inside, and the eyelid kind of looks like a cap, and on the top the eyebrows, the brown things on the top. So you can, okay, so if the video is too fast, you can always pause and do it on your own pace, or if it's too slow, you can always go forward. Then I'm drawing his claw. You can see the claws behind his eyes, so you can see it's behind, and a dollar bill on the other claw that Mr. Krabs is holding. And yes, and if you're really good, you might not even have to go do the sketching process. Maybe you can just do it right away. I uploaded some videos where I just draw right away. It's your choice, either way, because if you do it this way, it's kind of fast when you're drawing the draft, so the time might take even less than drawing it perfectly from the start, because you can just scribble quickly and make little corrections, and then those little corrections can go really fast instead of making perfect lines. So I'm drawing the circles inside the dollar bills and the dollar signs on both sides. There. And I'm drawing more. Yes, adding more details to the dollars, and okay, erasing some lines, fixing and editing. So right now I'm fixing the arm, and we're almost done. Almost done with the sketch. Erasing and trying to correct a little bit. You can just do it right away. But I enjoy the process of fixing. So, Okay, now let's ink. I'm going to ink above, on top of the sketch I did. If you do it on real paper and pencil, you can ink and then erase the pencil marks. Then you'll only have the inking part left. And if you're using an app like this one, like Procreate, you can get rid of the, you could make a new layer and then get rid of the sketch layer, and then you will only have the inking part left. So it'll look clean. Okay, all you have to do is ink on top of it. And for the dollar bills, I'm using a dark green line, dark green ink to ink on top. And for Mr. Krabs, I only use black to ink him. And there, I got rid of the draft, the sketch. Now I'm going to, since I got rid of the lines, I can see where I need to fix and edit. You can see some lines are not connected. I'm going to connect those. And you can see some lines that come out. I'm going to erase that and make it better. Okay, when you're done, you can just skip to the coloring process. And if not, you can do it on yours, on your work. So I'm fixing here and there. And the eyes, they look a little different, so I'm going to fix his eyes too. The right side of each eye shouldn't be bulging out, it has to be bulging in. So I'm going to fix that too. Okay, I'm getting the lines all connected first, and then I'm going to fix the eyes. There, I'm redrawing the eyes. I think the eyes are a little too skinny, so I'm going to make it a little thicker. Yeah, the other side, other eye as well. Making the eye a little thicker. Okay, I'm done. Now let's color. Now I'm doing the coloring. You can see I'm adding the lighted parts over here and there. And then inside the eyes, a little light green. And the eyebrows. And the pants and the shadow. It's a little darker than purple. Dark purple. And I'm going to color his belt buckle. The belt is black. Now the dollar bills. I'm going to color inside. And the middle of the dollar has to be kind of lighter green. Okay, here, there. Now I'm going to draw the other dollars. I'm going to draw with dark green. That's too dark and too thick. There. And you don't have to draw everything. Maybe you want to, then you can, but In my case, I'm just going to draw some of them. It'll still look like a stack of dollar bills. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. It just needs to look like there are a pile. There's a pile of dollar bills, and he's leaning on it, and his pants is kind of inside the dollar bills. I'm just drawing the bill shapes like that. Okay, now I'm going to color with the dollar bill colors that I used before. And the parts I didn't draw, I just left it there. You can just color inside, and it'll look like they're all dollar bills stacked together. Okay, when you're done coloring the dollars, we are done. So I'm coloring the right part and the left part of the dollar bills. Almost done coloring. Erase that part that protruded out, and inside. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, I hope you enjoyed drawing together, and if you want to draw other things, please watch my other videos. Thank you for watching.